How did ancient number systems develop? Imagine a time when humans first tried to count beyond their fingers. How did they turn simple tally marks into complex number systems? Let's find out. Early humans used their fingers and stones to keep track of objects or events. They made marks on bones or sticks, creating the first tally systems. These marks helped count animals, days, or goods. Over time, people started using symbols to representing numbers more quickly. Around 5,000 to 6,000 years ago, in Mesopotamia, the Sumerians created one of the earliest written numeral systems. They used clay tokens and later cuneiform writing to show quantities. These symbols made trade and record-keeping easier. Then, about 2,100 years before the Common Era, the Babylonians developed a sexagesimal or base 60 system. This system used a place-value system, meaning the position of a symbol mattered. It allowed them to do advanced calculations, especially for astronomy. This base 60 system is still used today in measuring time and angles. Meanwhile, in Egypt, people used a decimal or base 10 system. They had hieroglyphic symbols for units, tens, hundreds, and more. Numbers were built by adding symbols together, which could get long for large numbers. In India, by the 4th century before the Common Era, the Brahmi numeral system appeared. It introduced symbols that slowly became the numerals we see now. A big step was the addition of 0 as a symbol. 0 was first used in Indian numerals around the 6th century of the Common Era. It made place-value notation possible, changing how numbers were written and understood. This idea of 0 spread through Persia and the Islamic world, thanks to mathematicians like Khwarizmi in the 9th century. They helped bring the Indian numeral system, including 0, to the Middle East and later to Europe. Other cultures, like the Mayans in Central America, created their own systems. The Mayans used a base 20 system with a small subbase of 5 and also had a symbol for 0. These different systems show how diverse human approaches to counting and representing numbers have been. Over thousands of years, number systems evolved from simple marks to complex symbols. They reflected the needs of societies for trade, astronomy, and administration. These early developments laid the groundwork for modern mathematics, introducing key ideas like place value, 0, and different base systems. Today, they influence how we do science, handle money, and understand the world around us.